Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Nissan Frontier. This convenient feature allows you to warm up or cool down your truck before you even step inside. We will cover everything from the necessary preparations to the exact button sequence on your key fob. Get ready to enjoy a more comfortable ride, no matter the weather outside. Before attempting to remote start your Frontier, a few quick checks are essential for safety and functionality. First, confirm your truck is in park with the ignition off. All doors must be closed and locked, and the hood needs to be completely shut. Also, ensure your intelligent key is outside the vehicle for the system to activate properly. Activating remote start is straightforward. First, press the lock button on your key fob. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the circular arrow button for at least 2 seconds. You will see the parking lights illuminate, confirming the engine has started. Your Frontier will run for 10 minutes, allowing the climate control to adjust the cabin temperature. Here are some helpful tips for using your remote start. You can extend the engine run time for an additional 10 minutes by repeating the key fob sequence. To cancel the remote start, simply press and release the engine start button. Remember, after 2 remote starts, you must physically start the truck once before using the feature again. The system works up to 200 feet away.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.